In this video, I will show you how to fix Fantasy Premier League login problem. So for that, first of all, ensure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable. Or you could try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. The next thing that you have to do is ensure that your credentials like your email address and your password are correct. Now the next thing that you can do is simply click and hold on to the PL icon, then click on app info. From here, click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. From here, you will see clear cache written in bright red. Simply click on it. After that, go to Play Store. And in the search bar, search for Premier League. And here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. Then next thing that you can do is reset your password. So while trying to log in, simply click on forgot password, and from there you can simply try to get the activation link again into your email and then try to log in from there. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.